everyone, welcome back to Dream Home Solutions Kolkata. Me, your host Angira Chatterjee. Today I will take you through a very budget-friendly residential flat which is located at a very prime location. But before that, I would like to ask you that if you didn't subscribe to the channel yet, please go and subscribe the channel Dream Home Solutions Kolkata, because you know Dream Home Solutions Kolkata always brings the best solution to find your home. Today we are going to see this particular complex. The name of this complex is Obinandon. It is near Ruby at Prince Anwarshaw connector at Gitanjali Park. It is a 3 BHK flat having 4 block complex, fully loaded with amenities like lift, security, children park, community hall. Come, let me show you your car parking space. So this is your car parking space. You can see you are getting a lot of space in this complex. Also, this complex is very near to the nearby school, colleges, even supermarkets, hypermarkets. So everything is near your hand. The flat today we are going to tour is a south-facing flat, and also you are getting a lot of greenery around you in this complex. The size of this flat is 1064 square feet. So as we are done touring all the surrounding of this complex, let's go inside and check our flat. So this part of the block you are having the lift area, and this is your staircase guiding you to your flat. But before entering into the flat, let me tell you that this complex has 30 flats all total. You are getting the lift area just in front of your flat. So let's go and tour the full flat. So this is your main entrance to your flat, and just entering in your flat you will get your drawing and dining room. You can see this is your drawing and dining, the whole space. And here is your heart of the flat, that is your kitchen. A light base color has been used on the walls so that you can get your own furnitures to decorate your flat. You know, light base colors always go with any of the furnitures, so you don't need to worry about that. And this side of your flat is your washroom, and also in front of the washroom you are getting a wash machine. And here is your whole look of your washroom. So now let's go and check your bedroom. So here we are entering in your first bedroom. You can see this is your first bedroom, which is east facing. The window of your bedroom makes your room very airy. You can also use this room as your office room or maybe guest room. You will be able to see the road from this side of your bedroom. Now let's move on to another side of this flat. We are going towards another side, and also before that, this is your loft. You can keep some storage in your loft. Okay, so this bedroom of yours is south facing room having an attached washroom. You can see this is the attached washroom. So let's move on to your bedroom. And here is your south facing bedroom. And as you know that south facing bedrooms are always good according to the Vastu. And this is the view you are going to get from your bedroom. So we are done checking your second bedroom also. Now we are moving towards your third bedroom from this flat. So this is your third bedroom, which is also south facing, having an attached balcony with it. This room of yours is really very airy, filled with light, because you are getting an open balcony. With that, you are having so many windows in this room. Also, this is the view you are getting from your balcony. Your balcony is very spacious. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Also, if you want to contact us, please do contact us on our phone number 9830578244. So keep on subscribing to our channel to see more new properties like this, because we are going to come back again very soon. I'm going to attach all the required details about this flat in the description box. Please don't forget to check the description box. Thank you for watching this video.